Our picks for the best car jump starter of 2023. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. We're here with another fascinating video in which we select the top car jump starters available to make your decisions easier. If you're interested in learning more about these products, head on over to the description to find the most recent cost and details. So without any further ado, let's get started. Best overall, NOCO Boost X GBX45. First comes the NOCO Boost X GBX45. This portable lithium vehicle battery jump starter, which has a 1250 amp rating, starts up with the most energy possible. It has USB-C technology, which when coupled with power delivery, allows for incredibly quick recharges. Recharges fully in just 48 minutes, or requires just 5 minutes to fast start from 0%. And since USB-C power delivery is included, you have the ability to charge almost anything. Your beloved USB-C devices such as smartphones, tablets, laptops, wearable technology, and more can be easily powered by its internal power bank, which offers 60 watts of power, both in and out. One of the most adaptable lithium jump starts ever is the Boost X, and all vehicle kinds including cars, motorcycles, trucks, ATVs, boats, RVs, vans, SUVs, tractors, and more can be jump-started using this device for up to 6.5-liter gasoline and diesel engines. Best lead acid, Clore Automotive JNC 660. Next up is the Clore Automotive JNC 660. Power is a jump and carry jump starter's calling card. Exceptionally dependable electricity, and this JN660 is no different. Its Clore Performer battery was created especially for jump-starting applications and is built to provide exceptional cranking strength, a long cranking duration, a lot of jumps per charge, and a long service life. The power path is made up of all parts that are intended to maximize the jump starter's ability to restart the disabled car. And for a solid electrical connection, this also contains heavy-duty number 2 AWG cable leads and industrial-grade clamps that pierce corrosion on the vehicle's battery. In addition to these, it has a completely automatic built-in charger for its onboard battery that enables the device to be left plugged in, ensuring that your jump starter is always prepared. Best compact, TOPDON JS3000. Next up, we have the TOPDON JS3000. This JS3000 jump starter's 3000A peak amps can almost instantly revive all 12-volt lead-acid batteries. It supports motorcycles, speedboats, and a wide range of other vehicles. It can jump vehicles with up to 9 liters gas, 7 liters diesel engines, making it particularly ideal for large-capacity vehicles like trucks, boats, and pickups. It offers you premium 100% copper clamps, heavy-duty cables, and an IP54 fireproof enclosure. It is made for heavy-duty and professional cars. And when not in use or when you need a source of downward lighting while working or camping, you can suspend it using the extendable hook, while you can elevate the light by 30 degrees thanks to its adjustable stand. Anyone can use it securely with its 10 intelligent protection technologies, whether they are an expert technician or an everyday driver. What's more, it has a 400 lumen extremely bright light that you can use for outdoor activities or emergencies, as well as an SOS signal light. And its flashlight can run for up to 30 hours when completely charged. Even better, you can use it to bolster your deteriorated or dead batteries, as using its boost function, TOPDON's JS3000 car battery jump starter can power your vehicle. Best for high-capacity batteries, NOCO Boost HD GB70. Next is the NOCO Boost HD GB70. This is a 12-volt portable power source, LED flashlight, portable power bank, and vehicle jump starter. Mobile phones, tablets, and other USB gadgets can all be recharged here. Additionally, it can be quickly recharged in 6 hours at 2.1 amps from any powered USB outlet. On top of these, A built-in 400-lumen LED illumination with 7 different light settings, including SOS and emergency strobe, are added. High-discharge lithium technology is also included for secure functioning in any environment. It comes with an IP65 rated water-resistant casing, and having a rubberized over-molded covering aids in avoiding surface scratching or marring and enables 2-hour rapid charging through the auxiliary port of the car. Best Heavy Duty Schumacher DSR 115. Lastly, we have the Schumacher DSR 115. To quickly jumpstart the biggest motors, this DSR 115 offers 4400 peak amps, 750 525 cranking amps, and 475 350 cold cranking amps. This device has a 12-volt DC outlet, a 2.1 amp USB port, 2 gauge cables, a 2 amp external automatic charger, an on-off button, and a reverse connection warning. It also has an easy-to-read digital display. It offers 525 cool cranking amps in addition to 750 cranking amps. Plus, this device also features better, high-output AGM batteries, metal clamps, and a new case design. Overall, we can conclude that the DSR 115 provides the features professionals anticipate from a Schumacher product, while also offering the necessary power to complete the task. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.